Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. We've got another unboxing, this one from Lenovo. This is their X280 ThinkPad that they let us borrow for a few days to review. And this is a smaller device, smaller and lighter weight than a full-size ThinkPad might, but it looks like it's got some decent horsepower inside. So this one is a 12.5-inch notebook, and it's powered by an i5-8250 CPU. That's the current, newest generation of Intel hardware. I believe that is a quad-core chip in what used to be a dual-core size and price. So here is the laptop itself. This is a 12.5-inch display, 1080p. It doesn't flip around like a Yoga does, but it does go flat here, it appears, so that's pretty nice. It's got a metal casing to it, so it's a little chilly right now because I just picked it up from the mailbox around the corner. Got our fingerprint reader here. I'm sure it is backlit like many of these devices are. Yep, it's already lighting up, I believe, and looks like it's got that usual ThinkPad look and feel, including the little nub here. Let's take a look at some ports on this one. We've got a combo port here. This is Thunderbolt and USB-C and also power, so a full service port. You can connect your Thunderbolt stuff up to that. We'll check and see how many Thunderbolt lanes it has when we do the full review. This here, I believe, is for the Lenovo docking stations, so you can get there are custom dock here to connect up with it, so that goes in over there. Full-size USB port here, full-size HDMI out, headphone microphone jack over there. Nothing appears to be on the front. On the side here, I believe this slot here is for corporate environments where they have some security cards that can slide in there. And you've got another full-size USB port here that will charge devices when the laptop is off, and a Kensington lock. Not fanless, but these chips do require some cooling, so you have that on there. Oh, it is a touch screen. Look at that. So it's a touch screen, but it is a matte finish. So it's a little shiny, but not very shiny. It looks a lot like a typical matte display. So that's a nice little surprise to have there. So it feels pretty solid. Relatively lightweight. I think the weight on this one, if I check the specs here, is about 2.49 pounds or 1.36 kilograms. And the rest of the box here, we've got a power cable, and that appears to be it. So we're going to have a full review of this one coming up very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv. I really like these little laptops just because I like portability and I like to see how fast these things can run. So we will certainly do all of our usual tests coming up very soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.